Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Capricorns, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. Drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, for while pre-shuffling, I saw a couple of messages very repeatedly and very starkly. Some of you guys are definitely and most definitely manifesting something. Okay, I have lost the count of times I have seen the magician card. Okay, you guys are either manifesting a new career, new relationship, new job. I don't know what it is, but definitely you are manifesting something big time. Okay, some of you guys are also you could also be kickstarting something new project, new assignment. Maybe you're starting something new blog, new business. Okay, and you are very much charged about it. You're studying a lot about it. You're doing your research. Maybe you might even travel overseas to do some research about it, or find out more, or gain more knowledge, higher studies, training. Okay, some of you guys are definitely planning travel, planning to go somewhere. Okay, I also saw that I also saw divine counterparts, king and queen of wands. Okay, someone is going to be in a very passionate relationship. It was a fire couple. I saw Capricorn right at the center of this couple. Okay, Capricorn is devil energy. It's a very obsessive energy. Okay, there was page of swords, there was devil, everything, and there was nine of swords. Yeah, everything was indicating obsession, and someone is like thinking day in day out about you, or vice versa. Okay, lot of passion, lot of obsession is what I saw. What else? There was something else that I saw very clearly. Guys, there's going to be a lot of communication coming your way. Okay, expect messages. It could be related to work, it could be related to your personal life, but lot of messages are going to come your way. Okay, no doubt about that. Some of you guys might also be meeting someone from your past, reconciliation, reunion sort of thing. Okay, someone whom you have not met for a long time, and then now you are you either bump into each other or you plan and meet. Okay, that's what I saw very clearly. There was something else. For some of you guys, someone might reach out to ask financial help from you. Okay, someone will ask you to lend money is what I saw. Okay, it could be either you borrowing money from someone, but no, that possibility is very less. I think someone is going to ask you for some financial help, guys. Okay, so yeah, with that, let's get started, guys, and see what messages we have for you in this main reading. Knight of Swords. Yeah, something is headed towards you in a very headstrong manner, guys. Very headstrong manner. I had seen it while oh yeah, I forgot to speak about this. Some of you guys are some of you guys are definitely ending some situation, some long term situation, something which was there or has been part of your life for a long time, as long as a decade. Okay, and this situation is coming to an end, guys, and it is definitely going to pinch a lot. It's definitely going to hurt a lot. You guys really need to rest it out. You guys really need to take a lot of naps, sleep, take good care of yourself, to indulge in self-care, and take out time for healing. Okay, some of you guys might block someone from every possible way. I also saw Seven of Pentacles a lot of times. Okay, some of you guys might be waiting for something. Okay, waiting really patient for something. Could be related to career. Okay, but guys, like I said earlier, if you're waiting to hear from someone or some progress or some news related to your career or even relationship, you're going to get it very soon. I saw Justice card also, Libra energy. Yeah, Three of Cups. Yeah, I told you, right? There's going to be some give and shake. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. Just look at this. And I am not going to, I'm not going to talk about this much because the cards are very self-explanatory. We'll come back to them a bit later. Okay. Yeah. Let me just quickly see the cards. I think we are good already. Yeah. So guys, in your recent past, there could have been something that happened, very quickly. Okay, something. It was a good event. It was a happy event. Something that happened in a very speedy manner. Happy news. Okay, like for example, you got a call for interview. Next thing you know was that you were giving HR round or signing the offer letter and signing the paper or serving your notice period that fast. Okay, that fast is what I'm saying. So that is what your recent past is telling me about. We might clarify it in a bit, okay, to see what that event was. Your current energy, however, is a little it's kind of how do I put it, it's like a little testing. Something or someone might have let you down and kind of shaken your trust, and it took you or it is taking you some time to get over it, or it's like someone you trusted a lot behaved in certain manner and it kind of shocked you a bit, okay, or shook, whatever you want to say, okay, and it actually took you some time to, or is taking you time to come to the terms that okay, people can behave like this also, okay, and it's a lesson, okay, it's a lesson that's telling or teaching you not to trust anyone blindly, or always be prepared for surprises in life, okay. That's the kind of situation I'm getting, guys. There could also be a case wherein some of you guys are not getting a good platform at workplace to showcase your skills, your talent. There you could be stuck in some sort of office politics wherein your ideas or whatever you are trying to bring to table is not acknowledged or is not encouraged, okay. You are not getting the right platform is what I'm seeing, guys. That could be the case for some of you guys. Yes. Moving to your immediate future, like I said, some of you guys are definitely planning something, okay. You are waiting for your ships to sail. It's like you want to go out and try something, but at the same time you're fearful, okay. You're fearful about it. You're not sure whether or not you want to do it. Definitely you are geared up. It's like it's kind of a split energy, okay. You definitely want to do it, and one day you are like doing all the research, finding out more information and all, geared up to take the plunge, but somewhere deep down you are very much fearful about it. Nevertheless, I think you are going to do it. Whatever this is, this idea has come to you as an impulse, okay. Now this impulse, or this whatever that we call as an impulse, or idea coming out of nowhere, it's your spirit guides, okay. It's the communication from the universe. So even if you are taken by surprise, even if you are feeling fearful about it, if it has landed to you out of nowhere, trust me, it is a signal from the universe and you should definitely go for it is what I'm getting, guys. Yes, definitely it will require for you to do, or for you to take certain bold steps, certain actions to do something that you have never done before, but I think that this is what you want deep down and this is what your guides want you to do, okay. Let's talk of your overall energy. Four of swords. Yes, I feel that some of you guys, like I said, it's taking me back to the pre-shuffling energy, wherein, or rather, even your current energy. I told you, right? Someone definitely has kind of let you down here. There could also be a case, guys. Someone actually abruptly stopped talking to you. Okay, someone just disappeared into thin air. Okay, it's like till yesterday you were talking and everything was good, and tomorrow this person just disappeared. That is what I'm getting, guys. And yes, it might hurt, it might shock you, it might pinch you a lot, and definitely I understand it could really cut deep. Okay, it could make you very emotional, and you'll get into a zone wherein you'll ask a lot of questions. You'll have trust issues also. Probably take out time to process this, acknowledge this, rest it out, guys. Do not trouble yourself much about this energy. People who ghost or do such things, they are definitely not worth a second thought, guys. It's not about you, it's about them. So yeah, just let it go, just let it go. I know it's easier said than done, but yeah, that's what is needed, guys. Three of cups, like I said, some of you guys might be planning a reunion with someone, or someone might want to come and meet you, from someone from your past. Okay, that person, this energy will just come out of nowhere. Okay, it's like you have not been in contact for many years, and this person will show up. Okay, like I said, you might bump into this person, or this person might message you, call you, text you, and say, hey, let's meet up, let's catch up. Okay, and that's what you're going to do. Some of you guys might be socializing, partying with friends. Okay, some of you guys are in complete you're actually enjoying your financial bliss, is what I'm getting. You're enjoying your financial freedom. You guys might be single and ready to mingle. You might be in that energy, socializing, working hard, partying harder. I definitely see give and take of energy, currency over here. You guys might be indulging in some charities also. I'm seeing, guys, you definitely might help out someone who is in need of money. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing Five of Pentacles and Six of Pentacles. Definitely, guys, Capricorns, I see someone reaching out to you, asking for financial help. Okay, that's what I'm seeing, and I think you're going to help this person monetarily. Okay, again, like I said, in your overall energy, there is Two of Cups, there is Lovers, and there is Devil card. You guys might end up meeting your soulmate, and trust me, guys, I'm getting, see, basically, okay, by nature, Two of Cups or Lover card, okay, twin flame or soulmates, these are very intense energy by itself. Okay, like fire has hot, fire's nature is hot. Okay, like you get that burning sensation. Likewise, these energies are very deep and intense. This connection is very deep and intense in itself, by itself. Okay, to top it, it's clubbed with obsession. I mean, I cannot explain the magnitude of this connection, or this attraction, or this the intensity of this bond. Okay, you are going to end up meeting your soulmate, your mirror, or your counterpart, divine counterpart, and the chemistry, biology, physics, whatever you want to call it, the dynamics are going to be to another level. Okay, you probably won't even, it will take you some time to understand what's happening. Okay, because this is happening because your souls recognize each other. Okay, you are spiritually connected to each other from previous lifetimes. Okay, and if at all it is clubbed with the devil energy, which is a Capricorn energy in this lifetime, in this 3D life, my goodness, it's like a volcano. Okay, so like I said, either you or the other person are going to be completely obsessed with each other. Okay, that's what I'm seeing very strongly, guys. And yeah, this such connections, a strong Gemini energy, by the way. So, strong Gemini and Capricorn. So guys, such connections, they might not be as hunky dory as they appear to be. Okay, they sometimes the connections are so intense, it takes our physical form, our human form, to understand what's happening. Okay, so though the souls recognize each other, our ego, our human form, it is not able to process the attraction or the familiarity. Okay, and sometimes one of the partners, or one of the divine counterparts, even try to run away from the other. Okay, that could also happen. Okay, that's that, just saying it. I'm not saying it will happen with you, but that also happens. So the point trying to make is, it's a very very intense connection, guys. Capricorns, I want to clarify what this happy event or this sudden event was, or what this Knight of Swords was. Please tell me more. Okay. Six of Pentacles has been showing up over and over again, guys. Either you have received some financial aid from someone, or you are helping someone, and it's kind of making someone really really happy. Whatever this help that you are providing to someone, guys, this person is going to be very very grateful to you. It's like the much needed and timely help that you're providing to someone, or someone providing to you. I think it's you helping out, like I said earlier, but this person is going to be very very grateful to you, guys, and they'll be like very very indebted to you, is what I'm feeling, guys. Please tell me more. Please tell me more. Yeah, the Sun card and the Strength card. Oh my goodness, guys, whatever help you are providing someone, it's definitely going to help someone sail through a difficult financial situation. It will help someone help his or her family. Okay, and God bless you, guys, if you're doing any such thing, if you're indulging into any such charity work. My goodness, you have no idea, Capricorns, how proud I am of you, and how many blessings you're going to get from this person. Okay, you are actually giving that required support and strength to this person. Okay, strong Leo energy coming through. Sun and the Strength card both are indicating strong Leo energy, and really, guys, God bless you for such a noble act of yours. Okay, wow, I am proud of you, guys. So let's pull some message from this beautiful deck. Okay, give me a minute, something just flipped down. Bring love into situation and don't let pride get into your way. Again, full moon in Leo card, new moon in Aquarius. Of course, whatever you do, okay, whatever you do it with humble attitude, especially if you are indulging into charity. Okay, charity work. Okay, make sure that you do not feel the other person obliged or under any obligation. Okay, do it, they say, do good deeds and forget about it. Okay, that kind of a thing. Do it with lot of love, and be humble. Okay, just be humble about it. In any situation, do not let pride hit you. Okay, and I'm sure it won't, Capricorns. That's not your nature. Okay, and step out of your comfort zone has been showing up a lot while pre-shuffling also. Especially it's taking me to the Seven of Swords and Three of Wands energy, wherein you really want to do something, you really want to take that plunge, but probably you are a little fearful. So the angels are saying no need to worry. Okay, just go and do it, even if it is out of your comfort zone. Nice message. Let's pull some additional messages from this beautiful deck. Again, two cards. Meditation brings answers and compromise. Wow, perfect timing. Okay, So whatever it is that you're planning to do, guys, it's a perfect timing to do that, no doubt about that. Compromise, okay, compromise is what the angels are saying. If there is any situation that is needing you to step a little back, or take a little setback, or take a step back, go ahead and do it, okay. If it's going to be for everyone's benefit, if it's going to be for for the highest good of that bond, relationship, or that situation, just go ahead and do it. Meditation brings answers, yes. This especially is taking me to that energy for whom some things are going to end, and some for someone who might be into this Five of Pentacles situation, wherein someone has let you down, or broken your trust, or you're going through some tough financial situation, guys. You might be in some situation wherein you'll ask a lot of questions to God, like why me, why this is happening to me, or why now. Okay, so try to meditate and seek within, okay. You will get your answers, you will definitely get your answers. Some things happen in our life, not some things, always things happen in our life for a reason. They're there to teach us certain lessons, they're there to make us humble, okay. They are there to connect us back to our spiritual existence, our spiritual being, or spiritual nature, okay. So yes, definitely meditation will help you get you the answers that you are seeking, guys. Capricorn, it was quite an interesting reading with different kind of energies involved in this, and different sort of messages. No two messages were related is what I'm seeing, guys. And I'll leave it at that. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.